my name is Jono Armstrong and I'd like to welcome you to 0 to 100 in 24 hours. Now, this is the exact same strategy that I used when I first got started online. The reason why I used it is because it uses 100% free traffic and it's super warm traffic and it's super easy to start making money doing this, okay? You don't need to have any kind of tools, you don't need to have an email list, you don't need to know how to use paid traffic or anything like that. It's just straight up point and shoot newbie friendly commissions, okay? That's why this is the exact same strategy that I'm going to be using since I've gone back to zero again, since Tom has taken all of my assets away, okay? So this is what I'm going to be showing you over the shoulder inside of this training. Now, although I can't guarantee results for you, it all depends on yourself, right? But what I can guarantee is that if you do this consistently on a daily basis for 30 days, you will start making at least $100 a day. I can guarantee you that, okay? Now, when I first started out doing this method, I learned it from somebody else. I was a bit skeptical when I first started out as well, but they said the exact same thing to me. If you do this consistently for 30 days, you are going to make some serious money. And that happened, okay? I used this exact method over a course of kind of 5 or 6 months, and I was able to scale this up to $1,000 every single day. So it's very, very powerful stuff. Now, okay, so it works by, we're going to be making a review video in YouTube for products that are launching. Now, don't worry, you won't have to put your face on camera. I know that this puts a lot of people off, so I've decided that you don't need to do this, and there's a lot of other affiliates doing this without having to put their face on camera, and they're making money, so there's no reason why you have to. Now, the way it works is that whenever there's a product that launches, a lot of these big affiliates, they have huge email lists, you know, tens of thousands of people on their email lists, and they all send an email out to their subscribers about this product that's launching, right? Now, a lot of those people that get sent to this product without any kind of prior information, they want to know more about it before they decide to buy. So what do? They go to YouTube, they go to Google, and they look for a review video on the product. That's where we come in, okay? We make this review video for them. We offer them bonuses, which are probably going to be better than whatever their original affiliate offered them. So they're going to decide to buy via us to get our bonuses rather than buy through the original affiliate. So we steal the sale without having to have an email list. It's genius stuff. Now, the reason why most people fail, first of all, they think it's too hard, okay? It's not too hard. You go and you get a 9-to-5 job, okay? You have to learn the ropes. You have to learn how to do the job. You have to be at that place, that venue, that office for 8 hours every single day. You have to commute to and from that office every single day. That, in my dictionary, is hard, okay? This is not hard. You're going to be able to do this from your house. You're going to be able to do this from home. It's going to take you maybe a couple of hours to learn the ropes, okay, rather than a couple of days or a couple of weeks like you would in a regular job. But it's not hard, okay? Those people that think it's hard, they run into a roadblock and they quit, okay? If you're one of those types of people, then you're better off not continuing with this. Just go back and get yourself a day job, okay? Because it's not going to work out for you because you've started off with the wrong mindset, okay? You need to make sure that you have the mindset for success. This system works. I know it works. Multiple other people have used this system. They know it works too. Now it's time for you to do it, okay? There's nothing special about me, right? I have 2 arms, I have 2 legs, I have 2 eyes, 2 ears, everything else the same as you. The only difference is that I have knowledge about this industry that enables me to earn big money. Now, if I was to transfer this knowledge to you right now so that you can also get it, you'll also be able to get the same success as me. That's the only difference. All you need to do is learn. Okay, now before I get any further, we've also got a free training call that we've scheduled for you guys to watch, an orientation call workshop. That is going to be down below this video in a link. Okay, if you click on that link, you'll be able to register for the free training call. Now we're going to be running this free training call over a series of days, just so that you can make sure that you fit it in with your particular schedule and particular time. So click on that link down below. Go and register for the best time that suits you, and we'll see you on that free call. Now, without further ado, I'm going to head to the internet cafe where I'm going to get started making my campaign so that I can earn $100 in the next 24 hours and get all of my assets back from Tom. So I'll see you in the next module.